Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your phone and car so the connection is reliable. Plug in a good USB cable into the car's infotainment port and your phone. Wireless setups require Bluetooth and 5 GHz Wi-Fi support. Grant Android Auto permissions for location, notifications, and phone access so apps can display. Once done, unlock the phone and accept the prompt to project to the car. This step pairs the devices and initializes the interface for driving use. Now you configure the apps and interface to match how you drive. Open Android Auto settings on the phone or head unit. Pick your default navigation, messaging, and music apps so voice commands hit the right targets. Customize app order and enable Do Not Disturb driving to limit distractions. Also, set audio routing and voice assistant preferences. This ensures directions and calls play through the car speakers. Make sure map orientation and units are set so visuals match your expectations. You're ready to use Android Auto. Tap navigation for turn-by-turn directions, use voice to send messages or place calls, and control music from the head unit. Keep interactions brief and use voice commands for safety. This keeps your eyes on the road. To finish a session, disconnect the cable or end projection in settings. If it disconnects or won't start, try a different certified cable, restart the phone, clear Android Auto cache, or reboot the car's infotainment system. These steps fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.